Hola amigos, welcome back to Learn Spanish World con el Señor Briggs, your go-to place to speak real Spanish with confidence. I'm el Señor Briggs, a native Spanish speaker and a fully accredited Spanish teacher, here to help you master Spanish the right way with practical, everyday phrases that sound natural and authentic. Today, I'm sharing 7 Spanish phrases that will instantly take your conversation to the next level. Whether you're traveling, making new friends, or just practicing Spanish, these expressions will have you sounding like a native in no time. Vamos a empezar. Let us begin. Frase número 1. Phrase number 1. ¿Cómo te va? Meaning, how's it going? Now, the usage of this particular phrase is a casual alternative to ¿Cómo estás? Perfect for informal setting. So if you're a little bit tired of saying ¿Cómo estás?, try saying ¿Cómo te va? So instead of the classic ¿Cómo estás?, try ¿Cómo te va? When chatting with friends or with somebody that you feel comfortable with. It's like saying, how's it going in English? Friendly and relaxed. Very chill. ¿Cómo te va? ¿Cómo te va? How's it going? Frase número 2. Phrase number 2. How to say, how cool? Well, in Spanish, there's different ways you can say how cool. Some common ones are qué chévere, which is very popular in places like Venezuela, Peru, Colombia, and so on. Or in Mexico, qué padre. But if you want to speak a more international in Spanish, we say qué genial, which means how cool, that's awesome. This is widely used across the Spanish-speaking countries, regardless of whether it's Spain or whether it's Latin America. Qué genial, that's more like international. So if you heard something exciting, respond with qué genial. That will show your enthusiasm. It's a fun way to connect with native speakers. Besides, qué genial is used all over the Spanish-speaking world. Qué chévere is more used in Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, etc. Qué padre is very Mexican. But if you say qué genial, you cannot go wrong anywhere in the Spanish-speaking countries. Frase número 3, phrase number 3. If you want to say no problem, you can say no hay problema. It's a reassuring response when someone thanks you or apologizes. When someone says gracias or lo siento, replying with no hay problema keeps the conversation smooth and friendly. Now, make sure you do not say no problema, because that is derived from the direct translation of no problem. But in Spanish, we do not say no problema. The correct way is no hay problema. Frase número 4, phrase number 4. Can you help me? ¿Me puede ayudar? Now, a polite way to ask for assistance in various situations is saying, ¿me puede ayudar? ¿Me puede ayudar? Can you help me? So if you need directions or assistance, ¿me puede ayudar? Is your way to phrase to seek help respectfully. Frase número 5, phrase number 5. I am learning Spanish. Estoy aprendiendo español. You can use this for setting expectations and inviting patience from native speakers. Let others know you're learning Spanish by saying, Estoy aprendiendo español. It often encourages them to speak more clearly and supportively. Now, escuche y repite. Estoy aprendiendo español. Frase número 6, phrase number 6. Where is the bathroom? ¿Dónde está el baño? That's right. That's an essential question for travelers and daily situations. If you have a little emergency, you need to go because you gotta go, you can ask, ¿Dónde está el baño? That's right, this is one of the most practical phrases. ¿Dónde está el baño? Will come in handy more times than you can count. Frase número 7, phrase number 7. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Meaning, how much does it cost? Essential for shopping and handling transactions. Shopping in a Spanish-speaking country, ¿cuánto cuesta? Helps you navigate prices and make purchases confidently. It is perhaps one of the most important phrases that you can ever learn before visiting any Spanish-speaking country. ¿Cuánto cuesta? And it's super easy, very brief, straight to the point. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Repasemos. Recap.
Let's recap and practice. Let's quickly recap the 7 essential phrases. ¿Cómo te va? How's it going? ¡Qué genial! That's awesome. That's cool. ¡Qué genial! No problem. No hay problema. Don't forget the hay. No hay problema. Literally means there is no problems. ¿Me puede ayudar? Can you help me? ¿Me puede ayudar? I'm learning Spanish. Estoy aprendiendo español. Estoy aprendiendo español. Where is the toilet? Where is the bathroom? ¿Dónde está el baño? ¿Dónde está el baño? How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Now, repeat after me to practice pronunciation. Repite después de mí para practicar la pronunciación. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? Put on your Spanish caps and get ready to listen and copy after me.
Listen and repeat. Escucha y repite. ¿Cómo te va? ¡Qué genial! No hay problema. ¿Me puede ayudar? Estoy aprendiendo español. ¿Dónde está el baño? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Excelente. Muy buen trabajo. Great job. Incorporate these phrases into your daily conversations, and you'll notice your confidence soaring. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Spanish lessons. Share your favorite Spanish phrase in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. And please don't forget, I will be uploading a new video in a couple of days. Take care, my dear amigos. I'll see you soon. Chao, chao. Cuídate.